Welcome to the Netherlands. Dili bitaw oy. Welcome to Iligan City, Philippines. Feeling din ako na Miss Universe, no? Hello. It has been so warm and humid this past few days in Iligan City, Philippines. So I was really happy that a friend invited me to check out this place. My goodness, it has a 180-degree view of Iligan Bay, and I don't really know what side of the city is. This was really, really nice. That was very relaxing. The food is great. Fat Polly's brew their own beers, so it was really yummy. I tried their beers. And then I met up with my friend, high school friend Nisia. You know that feeling that you haven't really seen each other and spoken with each other for a long time, but when you get to meet again, it feels like nothing ever changed. Well, of course, your life circumstances have changed, but still, you get the feeling of you feel comfortable in sharing with each other. I don't have a lot of friends left in my hometown, so most of them are outside the city or in the Philippines, somewhere in the Philippines or abroad. So whenever I come back to my hometown and visit my parents, I always look forward to catching up with the very few people na lang na nabili in the ari. And I really feel happy that even after all those years, I still feel comfortable in sharing, and it feels like the bond has not been broken at all. It feels like it just continues on. But now, of course, different circumstances. So I really believe that friendship evolves over time. And I also feel happy that I am at the receiving end of that friendship. It's a good feeling that someone still trusts you after all of those years and considers you as a friend even after all those years. Thank you for watching!